Most people assume rich people simply have more money, and while that is certainly true in many cases, the deeper difference often has nothing to do with income. The real distinction is how they think about money itself. Two people can earn the same salary, live in the same city, and have access to the same opportunities, yet end up in completely different financial situations over time. One constantly feels like they are trying to catch up, the other steadily builds wealth year after year. The difference is not usually found in a secret investment strategy or a hidden financial trick. More often, it comes down to a completely different way of viewing money, risk, time, and opportunity. Understanding these differences may be one of the most valuable financial lessons a person can learn, because changing how you think about money often changes every financial decision that follows. Many people think about money primarily as something to spend. Rich people often think about money as something that can produce more money. This shift sounds simple, but it changes everything. When most people receive extra income, their first thought is usually what they can buy: a better phone, a nicer vacation, a newer car, or an upgraded lifestyle. Wealthy individuals often ask a different question. Instead of asking what they can buy, they ask what they can own. They focus on assets, investments, businesses, and opportunities that may generate future income rather than immediate consumption. Imagine receiving an unexpected $5,000. One person immediately starts thinking about purchases. Another starts thinking about what that money could become in 5, 10, or 20 years. The amount of money is identical. The mindset is completely different. Over decades, those different decisions create dramatically different outcomes. Another major difference is how rich people think about time. Most people trade time directly for money. They work a certain number of hours and receive a paycheck in return. There is nothing wrong with this approach because nearly everyone begins this way. However, wealthy individuals eventually become obsessed with creating income streams that are not entirely dependent on their personal time. They understand a simple reality: time is limited. Every person gets the same 24 hours each day. Income can increase, investments can grow, businesses can expand, but time never becomes more abundant. This is why wealthy people often focus heavily on ownership. Stocks, real estate, businesses, and other assets can continue generating value long after the original work has been completed. If you're enjoying this video so far, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss future videos from us. With that said, let's get back to the video. Another way rich people think differently is how they view risk. Most people believe wealthy individuals take huge risks. In reality, many wealthy people spend significant effort trying to reduce risk. The difference is that they define risk differently than most people do. Many individuals view investing as risky because prices fluctuate. Wealthy investors often view not investing as risky because inflation slowly reduces purchasing power over time. Many people believe starting a business is risky. Wealthy entrepreneurs may view complete dependence on a single paycheck as risky. The difference comes from looking beyond immediate uncertainty and focusing on long-term consequences. This does not mean wealthy people never make mistakes. They absolutely do. However, they often spend more time evaluating potential rewards relative to potential downsides. Instead of avoiding risk entirely, they try to understand it, manage it, and position themselves where the upside significantly outweighs the downside. Rich people also tend to think differently about delayed gratification. Most financial decisions involve a choice between enjoying something today or benefiting from it later. This battle exists in almost every spending decision. Buying something now creates immediate satisfaction. Investing that money creates future opportunity. The wealthy often become comfortable sacrificing short-term rewards in exchange for larger, long-term rewards. This habit may not seem dramatic in a single month or even a single year, but when repeated consistently for decades, it becomes incredibly powerful. The ability to delay gratification is one of the most common characteristics found among financially successful individuals. Another difference is that rich people usually focus on net worth instead of income. Most people pay close attention to salary because it feels like the most obvious measure of financial success. Wealthy individuals understand that income alone does not tell the full story. Someone earning $200,000 annually while spending nearly all of it may be less financially secure than someone earning $80,000 while consistently building assets. Income creates potential. Net worth measures results. Wealthy people often monitor asset growth, debt reduction, and ownership accumulation far more closely than lifestyle expansion. This mindset changes spending behavior significantly. Instead of viewing purchases solely through the lens of affordability, wealthy individuals often evaluate purchases based on opportunity cost. Every dollar spent is a dollar that cannot be invested elsewhere. Every financial decision involves a trade-off. For example, a luxury purchase may seem reasonable in isolation, but wealthy thinkers often compare that purchase against what the same money could become if invested over time. This does not mean they never spend money on enjoyment. It simply means they are highly aware of the long-term consequences attached to each financial decision. Another important distinction is how rich people view learning. Many people stop actively improving their financial knowledge once they begin earning an income. Wealthy individuals often continue studying investing, business, economics, taxation, negotiation, and personal finance throughout their lives. They understand that knowledge compounds just like money. A single financial insight can influence hundreds of future decisions. One good investment principle can create benefits for decades. One lesson about risk management can prevent enormous losses. Because of this, many wealthy individuals see learning as an investment rather than an expense. I'm curious about your experience. What is one money belief you had when you were younger that completely changed as you got older? Let us know in the comments below because your answer might help someone else see money differently. Another major difference involves how rich people react to market declines and economic uncertainty. Most people become fearful when prices fall. Wealthy investors often become more interested. This does not mean they enjoy losses. It means they understand that opportunities frequently appear during periods when others are focused entirely on fear. History repeatedly shows that some of the greatest investment opportunities emerge during difficult economic periods. Yet taking advantage of those opportunities requires preparation, patience, and emotional control. Wealthy investors often spend years building these traits because they understand that financial success depends as much on behavior as it does on knowledge. Rich people also tend to focus on financial freedom rather than financial appearance. Many individuals spend years trying to look successful. Expensive cars, luxury products, and visible status symbols create the image of wealth. Truly wealthy individuals are often far more interested in flexibility than appearances. Financial freedom means having choices. It means having the ability to walk away from situations that no longer serve you. It means having options during emergencies. It means making decisions based on long-term goals rather than immediate financial pressure. Many wealthy people value this freedom far more than any luxury purchase. At the beginning of this video, we talked about how two people can earn similar incomes and still end up with completely different financial futures. The reason is that money decisions begin with money beliefs. The way someone thinks about income, spending, investing, ownership, and time eventually shapes the financial results they experience. Rich people do not necessarily think differently because they are wealthy. In many cases, they become wealthy because they learned to think differently. They view money as a tool rather than a reward. They focus on ownership instead of appearance. They value long-term growth over short-term gratification. Most importantly, they understand that every financial decision has consequences that extend far beyond today. The good news is that these ways of thinking are not reserved for millionaires. Anyone can begin adopting them immediately. The next time money enters your life, ask yourself whether you are thinking like a spender or an owner. That single question has the potential to change your financial future more than you might imagine. If you want to keep growing your financial knowledge and building long-term wealth, check out one of the videos on your screen right now. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you there.